Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here at a very nice beautiful villa in East Pattaya. We are off Soi Khao Noi, like a 10 minutes to Sukhumvit Road and like a 25 minutes to central Pattaya. Behind me is like this luxury villa. Actually currently under construction. This is the show house and all the villas starting from 35 million with all the furniture inside. And I'm also here to meet Pinky, the real estate advisor inside. Follow me.
Hello, welcome.
Hello Pinky, I'm here. So please open the door. We are coming.
Okay, sure, see you.
They have like a digital doorbell, so she can even see like who's ringing the door. And now, hopefully someone is opening the door. Let's see.
Hello.
Aha, hello. Wow, can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Hello.
thank you.
So yes, actually I unlocked the door so you can just open and get in.
Ah, you unlocked it and I can just go in by myself.
Yes.
Oh, that's smart. So now we are inside. This is like the entrance area. I already talked about the price, but not about like the size and how many bedrooms yet.
The size of the land 472 square meter, living space 520 square meter, 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom.
Very nice. Beautiful entrance area over here. And the house comes with all like a furniture and everything as we see it here in the show house.
Right, the design come with modern tropical, I would say. They use many part as a wood color, so you feel like a cozy.
And also here the entrance area, super high ceilings, like that should be what, like 7 meters?
Yeah, it should be around 7 to 8 meters. So you have beautiful chandelier there, greeting with decoration.
Oh,
and many
nice.
storage. So you can have like your welcome area there, shoe area there.
Okay, to the right hand side goes up to the second floor.
Right, and this is the video.
So you saw me on
camera.
this screen
Yes, exactly.
and look good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
It's
At
just
least I
because
can
it's a
see.
small screen. That's why you cannot see the whole.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, if you want to see bigger, then you can install bigger one. No, that is good enough. So it's nice. You can see who is coming, and then you easy just to unlock the door. You don't have to,
Yeah.
go out to open the door.
So here is the living room.
Comfortable sofa.
Another huge chandelier here. And then I like that they have here like this open like gallery. So upstairs should be some more bedrooms.
Yeah, 2 bedroom downstairs, 3 bedroom on second floor.
And here you can access to the swimming pool.
Next to sofa zone, you have dining set up as dining table with a nice chandelier. So you have this zone for welcome your guests or dining time.
It's a nice space to host some parties, some dinners here.
Right, and this one important is the island, like bar zone. So you have this place for provide the food and drink here for your guests.
I see you already provided
Yes,
for starting the party.
exactly.
Okay.
And this is free.
Okay. Is this one with the glass?
Yeah, you
knock?
can knock. Maybe not plug in yet.
Okay.
You have a lot of shelf for the spoon, dish, and this one for storage.
And then over here,
This is linked to the kitchen, so you can have like a 2-in-1, like Thai and European kitchen here, because you can close the door when you cook. L-shaped, quite big kitchen. You have cooking place here for watch the dish over there. You walk here a little bit more. This is quite nice layout. I feel that you can come out here. And you have storage room here. You have maid room here.
oh, that's nice.
So your maid can always take care of your clothes here.
So this
And
one is kind of like the laundry area here, right?
Yes, and this one maid toilet.
Very
and
good.
the maid also can exit outdoor.
To the like the
walk
outside
around.
garden. Yeah. Okay.
So Mr. Pierre looking for house investment or his own holiday home living?
Looking for myself for like a holiday home. Yeah, in Pattaya. I heard it's quite nice to live here.
Yes, very nice. So this is outdoor space. You have terrace, your relaxed barbecue. Maybe here you can set up like outdoor sofa set.
Oh yeah, maybe or outdoor
Or-
dining.
or
I think it's
outdoor
nice
dining.
here because it's always covered. Like even if
Yeah.
it's raining, now it's raining season. But today we got like a very nice day. But
Right.
normally if it's raining, you can still sit here outside because it's anyway always warm.
Yes, and you can even have stair to the roof. So you have another terrace, which
Where
is
you have like
leading
a
from
nice
second
view
floor.
also of Pattaya.
Exactly.
And then here we have the swimming pool. So swimming pool is like a two zone. Is this one like the kids
For the
zone?
kid, and this is normal for adult zone, and you have jacuzzi function
Okay.
in the round pool.
All right, pretty good. And there you have some space for like a sun chairs. It's good wind flow here as well. Walkway up.
Yeah, actually this area is a little bit high zone of Pattaya, so close to the mountain. So that's why you can see a little bit of Pattaya.
Okay.
And then always wind. It's good wind flow.
Yeah. And here, bedrooms.
2 bedroom on ground floor. So maybe we go to sun first.
Okay, sure.
You have bedroom set up. And this one is garden view. Actually quite private. You can always open here to relax it, and then from your bedroom you can just see the garden.
Ah, okay. Okay, here we have for the TV, right? Set up
Yes.
some, I don't know, bookshelves.
Can be.
Okay.
And you can just put TV here, the plug already there.
Then this one is a king size.
King size bed. This one is wardrobe and bathroom zone, bathroom ensuite. So you have the sink, shower room, the toilet quite modern style, gray color. A second bedroom. This one I like. Ta-da! Actually for the kid it's good. Or if you would like to change to be big mattress, it's also nice. The comfortable built-in bed set is nice.
Yeah, so this is now set up like Japanese style. For
High
like
off, yes.
For the kids, okay.
Yes.
So this one is where the TV will come.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And this room you can have direct access to the pool. You just open the door here and then
And jump in. Oh, actually, that is pretty convenient. Really
right,
nice.
or go to the terrace from here. It's
Okay.
nice.
Another kind of like a walk-in wardrobe with the vanity table.
And then the bathroom with the white top sink and the gray tile, the shower room. Now we go on second floor.
Second floor is 3 more bedrooms.
3 more bedroom and have living room as well.
Oh, okay. Let's have a look.
And here we are on second floor.
Oh, second floor is actually quite big here. Huh? Lot of space.
You can see beautiful gallery from here.
Yeah, nice chandelier.
Yes, and you have private living room.
This one is nice to have another like a chill out area on like a second floor.
Exactly, and from this view you can see Pattaya city and a little bit sea view from.
Oh yeah, you can see all the way to like North Pattaya, Terminal 21. Here I guess we can open the door.
Maybe from this side.
And here have like a more outdoor terrace.
Yes, this terrace you can come from downstairs, we're near the pool.
Ah, the spiral staircase.
So you can set up for your friend party.
Yeah, and you can even see all the way to like a Pratanak, you know, like a South Pattaya. Nice
Yes.
view from
Nice.
up here, and also swimming pool view. So which bedroom we see next?
We go for 2 more bedroom first, and the last one is master.
Oh, okay.
It's lovely. This
Oh.
one for the kid.
It looks like, yeah. Comes
Yeah,
with a
nice
nice big sea turtle here.
And then all the decoration stuff.
Okay.
Good for the kids. So this is for
like a working
doing
desk,
homework.
homework, yeah.
Yes, wardrobe.
And here comes the TV.
Yes.
Oh, this one is even better.
Yeah, for playing, no need TV.
Yeah.
And this is the bathroom with the rain showers and okay, not too big, but it's good for the kid to sink, toilet.
Is one more bedroom.
Yes.
Every bedroom like a totally different theme and color, right? Like one Japanese downstairs, and this kid bedroom. Then this one looks like more luxury and elegant again. Gray, silver.
Gray, silver, yes. Yeah, every room is different tone.
Okay, so this one comes with like a king size bed.
Built-in TV. Have balcony from this room. I would like to present because actually it's quite private. Like can put the sofa here or chill out. Or you can also put the bathtub here.
Maybe, yeah, put a jacuzzi here. I think it's nice.
I think it's really nice. I mean, it look quite private. Can take time for jacuzzi here.
Yes. Then you have here also kind of like a walk-in wardrobe, like a sliding door. Vanity table. Yeah.
The bathroom with the rain shower, grey color, a little bit more dark blue, and this one is the white top toilet. Here's master bedroom.
Oh, okay. Exciting.
Exciting, yes. Of course, as we expect. Ta-da!
Oh, this one comes with like a proper walk-in wardrobe.
Yeah, so you have a lot of space for your clothes, and I mean like this side that you can walk through and go to the bathroom. You have vanity table.
And I just see you even have also an aircon in your wardrobe. I think you can spend like more time in here.
Yeah, I think you're always quite concerned about aircon.
Well,
but
we are in
good.
Thailand, yeah. I'm concerned about this.
And this is bathroom, so you have, this is nice, his and her with like a quite separate. So you have like more space for cosmetic cream.
Yeah. And in this like a centerpiece is like this jacuzzi bathtub.
Yes, for two. So it's nice, like big one.
Nice.
You have rain shower, toilet. No, his and her toilet.
Please not his and her toilet in the same bathroom. Then put like separate bathrooms. I think better. Okay.
So my idea will not work. Okay, next.
I think like how they set it up is already good enough. Oh, okay. This one is like a big bedroom. That's nice.
So you have space for your sofa, for TV before sleep.
Okay.
And you have bedroom on the back. You have another sofa, armchair.
And over here you even have like more space for like a working desk. Window looks out to like a swimming pool. And you also have king size bed.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we also have here another balcony. And also this balcony is nice. It's kind of like the balcony Rapunzel would love. Maybe let your hair down. Pinky, can you let your hair down?
Maybe you watch too much cartoon.
Yeah, probably. But this one is the ideal one. If you let your hair down to the swimming pool, I can climb up here.
Oh, I just saw that from here you can even see to Jumtian view.
Yes, all the way. And even have sea view.
And here is all the house that I show you today. Hopefully you like it.
Yeah, quite nice.
So the house size again 472 square meter and living space 520 square meter, 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom with all fully furnished.
And comes in at like 35 million baht.
35 million baht. If you would like to live on around 10 to 15 minutes to Pattaya and then can see Pattaya view.
Yeah, if you need a big house, luxury, and if you like this kind of like a modern tropical luxury style, you know, then this is probably like a very nice choice. Thank you for this tour today.
You're welcome. Please like and subscribe for me.
As always, we have another video coming up for next Sunday.
And then see the listing below.
And thank you very much.